So I bought this old 90s Specialized Rockhopper, which looks something like this, and turned it into an even cooler Specialized Rockhopper, like this. And I took it to Shirley Chisholm Park in Brooklyn to show it off. I decided I wanted swept back cruiser bars for this bike. I replaced the drivetrain with 9-speed Shimano Deore and built a brand new set of 26-inch wheels for it. I wanted fat tires, so I used these 2.3-inch ones here. I replaced the cantilever brakes this bike came with V-brakes, which I like a lot more. And I went with downtube shifters, which required an adapter since the bike didn't have the correct braze-on. I'm pretty happy with the way it rides. It's comfortable, but it's also pretty quick and doesn't feel too clunky. You can use this bike for touring or commuting or just getting around the neighborhood. Frames like this are super easy to find and tend to be pretty cheap.